Hello and welcome back to ENG. The topic in today's video is active voice to passive voice using the past tense, that is the simple past tense. First, let us see the declarative sentence. Changing active voice to passive voice in simple past tense in the declarative sentence. The passive verb structure in simple past tense is either was or were plus the past participle. The past participle can also be called as verb 3. Now the given sentence is she baked a cake. We should remember was is used for the singular subject and were is used for the plural subject. Now she baked a cake. Here she is the subject, baked is the verb. What did she bake? A cake. So that is the object. Now, the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice. So, a cake is the subject of the passive voice. Now, the subject of the active voice will become the object of the passive voice. So, the subject is she in the active voice. That will change to by her. As per the rules, change in pronouns, this change takes place. Now, baked is the verb. Now, baked is in past tense. The subject is a cake. Now, a cake is singular. The singular past be verb is was. So, we use was. The past participle for baked is baked. So, was baked. So, the passive voice is a cake was baked by her. Next, she baked cakes. Here, this is the plural form. Here, cakes is the plural form. The cakes is object and it is in the plural form. Cakes were baked by her. That is the answer. That is in the passive voice. So, the cakes is the object in the active voice. That will become the subject of the passive voice. She will change to by her. Now, baked will take the transformation. Cakes is the plural form. So the plural be verb in the past tense is were and the past participle for baked is baked. So cakes were baked by her. Next, they sang a song. They is the subject, sang is the verb. What did they sing? A song. So the song is the object. Now the object of the active voice will become the subject of the passive voice and they will change to them. The verb is sang. A song is singular. So, we use the singular be verb was. The past participle for sang is present tense is sing, past tense is sang, and the past participle is sung. So, the passive voice is a song was sung by them. Next sentence. We flew kites yesterday. Flew is the verb. Kites is the object and it is in plural form. Yesterday is the adjunct. Place the adjunct wherever it is in the active voice, in the passive voice also. So the kites, the object becomes the subject of the passive voice. We becomes by us as per the rules in change of pronouns. Flew is the verb in past tense and the past participle is flown. Kites is the plural form. So we use the plural be verb of the past tense which is were. So the passive voice is kites were flown by us yesterday. Next, interrogative sentences using the active voice and passive voice. I already told you in the previous video, the do verbs are used in the active voice and the be verbs are used in the passive voice. So, did she like the story? Sorry, there's a mistake. We'll take it off. Did she like the stories? So, stories is plural. Stories is the object. That is plural. So, we use the plural be verb where. Where the stories like. Did is the past tense. So, we use only like, the main verb. And liked is the past participle where the story is liked by her. Next sentence. Did he eat the apple? Now, apple is the object and it is singular, so we use the be verb was. Was the apple eaten? So, the past participle for eat is eaten. Was the apple eaten by him? Next sentence. Who rang the bell? Now, the bell is the object. That will be the object. Now, who rang the bell? Who in the active voice will change to by whom in the passive voice. So, bell is singular, so we use was. By whom was the bell? The past participle of rang is rung. By whom was the bell rung? The next sentence. Who plucked the flowers? So, flowers is the plural form. Who is there? So, we use by whom in the passive voice. Flowers is plural form, so we use the be verb, plural be verb, where. By whom were the flowers plucked? I hope you understood. If you find this video useful, kindly like and share, and also hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Don't hesitate to drop your comments in the comment box. Thanks for watching.